everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to Gcash. So withdrawing money from a Phantom Wallet, a Solana-based cryptocurrency wallet, to Gcash involves a series of steps, including converting your crypto to a currency supported by Gcash and then transferring it to your Gcash account. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Step number 1 is to convert your Solana to stablecoin or other cryptocurrency. So first is open your wallet. Just go to your wallet on your browser or mobile application. And then go to swap feature and Phantom. Convert your Solana or any other token into a stablecoin like USDT or USDC. This is widely supported on exchanges. And then just choose a crypto exchange. Use an exchange that supports both your stablecoin and then withdrawals to Gcash. Like for example, coins.ph or Binance. And then after that, just log into your exchange, find the wallet address for the stablecoin you're transferring. Copy the deposit address. And then in Phantom Wallet, go to the send option, paste the copied deposit address, and then confirm the transaction. Now, once the funds arrive in your exchange account, you have to sell your stablecoin for PHP. So use the trade or convert option in the exchange. And then after you do that, yes, go to Gcash to link your Gcash to exchange. So you have to make sure that your Gcash account is linked to the crypto exchange. So go to the withdrawal section, select Gcash as the withdrawal method, and then enter the amount that you want to withdraw to your Gcash mobile number. And then you just have to confirm the transfer, follow the exchange's steps to confirm that transaction. And then the funds will appear in your Gcash account, usually within just minutes. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!